I've been using the Trading Academy for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Trading Academy. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Trading Academy. Trading Academy is a recognized platform offering a variety of trading courses designed for individuals at different experience levels, from beginners to seasoned traders. Their curriculum covers a wide range of trading topics, including stocks, options, and futures, with a notable focus on technical analysis and trading psychology. One of the standout features of this academy is their core strategy class, which equips students with foundational skills to analyze markets and make informed trading decisions. Moreover, the program is highly praised for its lifetime access, meaning students can revisit materials and retake classes as needed. This flexibility ensures continuous learning at one's own pace. Additionally, the Trading Academy also offers live trading rooms, where students can observe real-time trading strategies implemented by professionals. These sessions allow for interactive learning and provide a space to collaborate with fellow traders. However, access to live trading rooms incurs additional costs, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious learners. Additionally, while the Academy provides ample resources, success largely depends on the student's dedication and consistent practice. Overall, the Trading Academy offers a comprehensive and well-structured approach to learning trading, making it a valuable resource for those serious about improving their market skills. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.